Hey friends, if you encounter the error you don't have permission to save in this location on Windows, then please watch this video. Now see, here's the thing, there are two cases here. The first one is that it is an organization managed computer, and if that is the case then you will have to talk to the IT administrator of the organization, because this is managed through a server and that person will make changes to the group policy editor and fix the problem. But if it is a home computer, then other websites and channels may say that give administrator access to the user, but that will be a one time thing. I say if it is a home computer, in 99.9% cases you can try a very safe fix. It won't actually make a difference. So just search for UAC in the Windows search bar and click on change user account settings. Pull this slider to the absolute bottom, click on OK and click on yes, and now you will not need administrator permissions or anything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.